Right, g'day again viewers. Okay, this is just a follow-up to the previous video. Just wanted to show you the results. What I have done, I just put the top back on one of the Carbys and connected the fuel line. So I screwed it down because there was a venting problem. If I just sat it on there, it wouldn't give me a true reading. So I had to screw it down and seal it up, and I blocked the other fuel line. I hadn't put the top back on. Two reasons for that. One is I wanted to show you the fuel level before I cleaned these breather pipes, and the other reason is I've dropped the washer. There's a washer that goes underneath this filter cap fibre washer, and I've dropped it. So I just looked in me. I've got fibre washers, but I don't have one the right size. So I have to search around for it, and if I can't find it, well then I'm going to might have a copper washer or aluminium washer that'll fit it. I could put an O-ring, although I don't like putting O-rings under bolts because if you put too much pressure on them, they'll split, and also they harden and eventually start leaking anyway. So and I prefer things to be tight, make sure they're not going to come loose. But anyway, I'll find something. If I can't find the washer, I mean, it should be between here and there. It should, well, actually I did blow it out with air, which means the air could have blown it anywhere. But anyway, I saw that problem. So anyway, I'll grab a bit of the torch and I'll just show you. Okay, this is the level I had. As you can see, there's barely half an inch in the bottom. Hopefully you can see that. But, it just wouldn't run. The idle fine. The pump was working, but it'd just, you put your foot down and it'd just pop and cough and carry on and die out. So this is the one I tested. I'll bolt it back on, and really showing up there. So that's good. Half full now. That's close to an inch higher than the other side. So the previous, and you've got to remember too that when you drop your floats in there, that'll bring it up to like probably around 3/4 full, which should be pretty well the right level. I'll show you actually. I looked this up from the weather site on how you adjust these floats. And see, these are spring loaded. The needle and seat's spring loaded. So if you sit it like that, it pushes the spring down. So you've got to sit it horizontal, so it's just touching the needle and seat, but not depressing the spring. And from the bottom of the float to the casing is 12.5 mil. That's the correct setting, according to Weber, or Weber Australia anyway, on their website. So so we should be pretty well right, I think. I think we're going to be good to go tomorrow. The other thing I want to show you, this bowl, I washed this bowl thoroughly before I began. And both of these Carbys, they've been cleaned with Carby clean, with petrol, with acetone, scrubbed, and the camera's actually going to pick it up. Try a different light. Try this light, see if that'll... I can see it with my eyes, but I can't really see it too much with the camera. I wanted to show you. Right, you can see it now. See how much shit's in there? And, down in the bottom there's chunks of black shit floating around. That's probably what was actually blocking the breather tubes, but the cloudy shit, that's corrosion. The hot vinegar is taken off the carburetor. So You can see it now. Now I'll swivel it around, see just how much it is. I mean, some of that could have come out of the bowl, even though I scrubbed it thoroughly. The vinegar could have taken some of it out of the bowl itself, but yeah, I would think most of that come out of just out of the tops of the carburetor. Makes me think I should have soaked the entire carbies to begin with, but like after pulling them down. But yeah. Anyway, leave it at that. Keep it short. So yeah, it's 9:30 at night. It's winter time. Don't want to be opening the door or making a whole lot of noise. So yeah, I'll put it back together and I'll have to wait tomorrow. But I think we're going to be good to go tomorrow. Okay, thanks again for watching, and we'll catch you next time. Bye.